Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to change auto rotate on Android. Auto rotate on Android lets your screen switch between portrait and landscape when you turn the phone. This feature is useful for watching videos, browsing photos, and using certain apps. The exact menu varies depending on your Android version and phone brand. To begin, unlock your Android phone and go to the home screen. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings. Swipe down again if you need to expand the panel. Look for the auto rotate or portrait icon. Tap the icon once to turn auto rotate off. If it already says not auto rotate, tap to turn it on if desired. Hold the phone sideways to test screen rotation. If the icon is missing, tap the edit, add, or pencil icon. Add auto rotate to the quick settings panel, then tap save or done to confirm. You can also open the settings app, go to display or home screen settings, find auto rotate screen, portrait lock, or screen rotation, then turn the switch on or off as needed. Now, exit the settings and test rotation in an app like YouTube or Photos. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.